I have a lot of CDs that I need to destroy, and one way is definitely to just put them into a microwave them for a few seconds, and quite reliably you can't read them anymore. It's not enough if you have your murder confession on those CDs, but it should be enough for most stuff. And right now this is just old backup stuff, which is no personal data, so if anybody else would read that, it wouldn't be too bad, but I just still don't want anybody to read those data. And these CDs are going right to the trash now. So let's try it with a microwave. This is so spectacular, I had to show. That was one CD. It smells a bit like burnt plastic. I hope you can see this. That's really spectacular. If you do this in stacks, the destruction is far from complete, but as I said, this is not stuff where my life depends on it, so that's fine for me. What do we have here? 6 or so. Let's turn off the lights so that we can see the sparks flying. Don't do it too long, because then the plastic will actually try to burn. It does smell a bit horrible, but it's polycarbonate, that's not so bad. So here you see what these look like. As I said, the destruction is far from complete. It's fine for my case, but well, as I said again, don't do this with your murder confession. Let's take some more. It works the same for DVDs, no problems there. Why? And as you can see, the bigger the stack, the less complete the destruction is. There are even ones that are. There are even those that are completely unharmed. If you do this, my recommendation is clearly take 5 to 6 of the CDs, make sure that the room is well ventilated. It starts to smell, just don't do it. And here, come on! As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, utterly destroyed. Okay, again, not utterly. If this is really the access to your main gold vault, do something else. But if you just want to make sure that your nail if you just want to make sure that your nosy neighbor can't read your stuff, that's more than enough. And I know you can't feel this, but the lower CD is a bit hot. And again, barely destroyed, enough for any normal CD-ROM, but still. Now let's just compare this to, you start scratching all of these things, you start cutting them. This is much faster. And prettier.